Hi everybody, it's March 30th and here are my tulips popping up in my community garden space. And I have a lot of weeding to do. There's a lot of little onion grass and these grass weeds are so hard to get out. So I've been doing a little weeding. There's some bachelor button or cornflower. And then over here some bupleurum mixed in with some weeds. And then I just weeded this area. I'm going to be planting my Statice in here and my Sweet William. They have been hardening off for like 3 weeks and I don't know what happened, you guys. I must have left them out too long on a sunny day because they look really rough. But they've been in the seed trays for a really long time, since early February. So I really need to get them in the ground. I'm going to water them in and hope that they can recover. I think I had a rough time with the Statice last year also with the hardening off. They seemed kind of sensitive to the wind and the cold. Our temperatures are really fluctuating, anywhere between like 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 70 or 75 degrees Fahrenheit lately. So we've had a lot of big fluctuations in the weather and the temps. All right, so let me go get the seed trays and I'll show you guys when I start planting. Okay, it's starting to rain, but I'm going to keep going because I still have my tray of Sweet Williams to plant. But I just planted the Statice and they all look pretty rough. Like you can see, the leaves are brown. I think they'll come back. I think they'll be okay. The hardening off process was really rough on them and I needed to get them in the ground. They have very long roots. The roots looked healthy, so I'm hoping this will be okay. So I planted about 30 Statice over here. And if this doesn't work out, I have other flowers. So that's why I plant a lot of flowers in case something doesn't work out. So let me get to planting the Sweet Williams. Okay, so I planted 3 rows of Sweet William and then a little bit down this end. And like I said, the Statice is hard to see because it was really battered and beat up. It's supposed to maybe sprinkle a little bit tonight, and it's supposed to rain on tonight's Monday. It's supposed to rain on Wednesday. So I watered these in, and they'll hopefully do okay. Let's take one more look at the tulips. I'm trying to predict when these will come up. Ew, there's some kind of caterpillar. Let me get that out of here. I don't know if that was a good or bad caterpillar, but I just got it out of the tulip. So this is what the tulips are looking like right now. These are a Darwin tulip, but I'm not going to leave these in the ground. You can, and they will come up every year, but I'm just using these for cut flowers. So I'll be taking a shovel and digging these up and putting them in a crate and sticking it in my refrigerator so that I can try to sell them all on 1 or 2 weekends. It's about 300 tulips. I have a very small operation. I just sell my flowers on the weekend, and my goal is just to make enough money to cover the cost of my daughter's summer camp, which keeps going up every year. So I sell my cut flowers, and it's really fun, and I have a lot of local people that come and buy them. So that is what the garden is community garden bed is looking like right now. I'm going to start my tomatoes on the weekend and my marigolds. So stay tuned.